On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. First thing, go to the settings. Go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Facebook Messenger and click on it like this. After that, click on Force Stop and then click on Notifications Management. Make sure that all the notifications here are enabled like this. Go back, click on the data usage and disable the roaming data and the background data and turn on only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.